Alright, Wagwan is that guy. Real simple video today. First and foremost, I just want everybody to know, despite that I made a cut on some Congos, I'm not chopping off the entirety of my locks, okay? First and foremost, how would I even comprehend chopping off locks like this one? But the main course of this video here today, lint in my beard. Main course of this video here today is actually to show you guys my newest Congo. And if you guys aren't aware of what a Congo is, it's when your locks start to join together at the root, creating one much bigger lock than what you had. So currently, these 4 locks at the front of my head have really started to Congo up. Now, as we can see, there is like loose hair, frizzy hair involved here as well. But if you look at just the majority of the locks, you can see a couple things here. One, you can see how they want to be sticking together. I'm not going to pull it apart because I want these to Congo up. This one here has already Congoed up at the top, and then it's Congoed again right here. So you can actually really see how this phenomenon happens. And I mean, you know, if you are separating, typically this is when you would want to separate, but I mean, I encourage the Congos. Go for it if you haven't tried them already. And it looks like now this lock wants to come in pretty thick, right at the front of my head. And I don't normally condone myself for having thick locks right at the front here. I've always liked thinner locks at the front, but I feel like it's time for a change. It's time to embrace new beginnings, experience new adventures, and by doing this, I'm allowing myself to let nature take its course. I'm allowing myself to accept who I am and who my hair is, or I guess what my hair is, on a natural basis. So it's definitely worthwhile. And you know what? If worst case scenario, it Congos up and I don't like the thickness that it turns into for whatever reason, I could always go back and split these back down into what they were. But I feel like it's a good time to start a Congo lock right at the top of my head. I would love to know what you guys think about Congos, or this Congo specifically. Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's about it. Other Congos that I have, you know, obviously I've grown this one out into a pretty big Congo. I cut off the trimmings since I've started. This is another lock that I've cut off. And it's crazy, this is my lock that has that buildup in it, but you know, at first glance, you can't even really see it. So the buildup's not that bad. Yes, sir. Congo locks, man. And look at these two. Plus this one. Now it's going to be this one as well. I even got this one as a Congo. Actually, this Congo lock has been growing for quite a while. You can see how much is Congoed there. And then it splits out. This is a Congo lock here as well. Not as big, just 2 locks. But they are fun, definitely worthwhile if you haven't tried them out yet before. So let me know in the comments section, how many Congo locks do you have? What are your pros and your cons with Congo locks? And what do you think about this Congo lock? All right. That's about it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.
The nation.